Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I'm pulling a chart from our active trading forum that one of our long-term members posted and has been following along, and it caught my attention today. It's GRIN Shipping, ticker GRIN. Or maybe it's Grindrod. I don't know. But it is in a nice uptrend. That's one thing I know. It's above all the major moving averages. We had a pretty decent day considering Friday's close on the S&P 500. Let's go over that. Closing near the lows, pretty high volume. GRIN bounced off the 50-day moving average and closed above all its key moving averages. Today, a retest of that breakdown. It held, bounced up, and closed near the highs of the day, coming on higher than average volume. And this wasn't even a stock that I was following. And so that's one of the advantages of being part of a great trading community like we have over at StockMarketMentor.com. We have a ton of different types of traders looking at different types of things and a ton of ideas every single day. And so I saw this being posted, and I like this chart. In a nice uptrend, above all the major moving averages, relative strength versus the S&P 500 here on Friday, and a nice follow-through here today. And so I think this is definitely a stock you want to keep an eye on. I will note it does look like it has a pretty small float and could trade with a bit of a wide spread. And so anytime that's the case, you may want to really kind of manage your size in that case because, it might whip around a lot on an intraday basis. But I think this stock is definitely one you should be watching because, as you can see, it's close to the highs here. And in a market where a lot of stocks are hitting 52-week lows, we should be paying attention to stocks near their 52-week highs. So keep an eye on GRIN. I'm going to set an alert here on my platform for a new high just above 28.90. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to see what other members are posting in our active trading forum, give us a trial. Click the link at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.